Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, I'll be doing some guava jerk chicken crostini. Now, this is ideal for this time of year, and it is an appetizer. So if you are hosting, this is a good recipe for you. And we're starting off with our salt and our black pepper. And to that, we're going ahead with some smoked paprika, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, some green seasoning, and the star of the show, some Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. And just a dash of olive oil. And next we're just gonna mix it all together. Next, I allowed it to marinate for 1 to 2 hours, and then I place it into the oven to bake. Now, once it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and shred that chicken into as small as I can. That way it fits on that piece of baguette that we're using. And this is the French baguette. I got it from Walmart. Additionally, I'll be using some Guava paste. And then when I cut my bread into slices, I added some extra virgin olive oil. Now we're gonna start with the sauce. We add in some brown sugar, the juice of a lemon, and then we're going ahead with that diced guava paste. Now once that guava paste softens, it's going to have a liquid-like consistency, and then we're gonna go ahead with adding those pieces of shredded chicken. You're just going to incorporate everything together, and then we're going to place it to a side and start our assembling. And this is the fun part, the assembling. First, I started with some guac. Now, if you have fresh avocado, you can use that as well. Now, this I purchased from Walmart. It was the chunky style, and it was also the Walmart brand. I also added a piece of fried ripe plantain, and here I am just topping it off with that guava jerk chicken. Let me tell you, these were so good. And these came out so good, guys. I went ahead with some diced bell peppers and added for presentation. It is summertime, so if you are hosting, this is a perfect addition to your menu. Thank you guys for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.